Hi everybody, this is Pat in the paper closet. Coming on today, just wanted to show you what I've been working on with our Cozy Winter Days junk journal. I've added a closure. I didn't use the crocheted trim that I was going to use. It was too thick to tie a bow in. So I've used seam binding. So I put that on. And I've added lace to the edges of I think it was 6 pages, which is just about enough. There's 3 in each signature. 3 pages have lace on them. And I have also made some more ephemera to put in. You've seen this one. This is going to be a corner tuck, a pocket. Here's another separate pocket, which I'm going to have removable. I'm just going to put it on with a paper clip so that it can be put anywhere in the book that you want it. And I've made a few other things, some tags, another flip out. This one is 2 pockets. You put a closure on them. You put larger things in here. And then it closes up. Just tuck it under that little round button. This one has a pocket over here. And another pocket on the back with a flip out, with a closure. You could use this for photos or lots of journaling. Did I make a pocket on the side here? No, I didn't. So that would just get attached to any page you want. Anywhere you need more room. Made a few more. I made a postcard. I made some more of these. Just gives you more room on your page. Totally a whole page. This has pockets on the bottom. 3 pockets. And this gets attached to a page. Here's another one of those. And this is a, what do I make out of this? I think I'm just going to cut this up for tags, or use it as a large tag in one of these pockets. It would fit in here, sticking out. So, I also want to talk about, I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. I'm having problems with my YouTube analytics page. I don't know what's happening, but, excuse me, my views just drop, they disappear. A little after 3 p.m., like the other day, it went from 123 down to 23 in like 1 second. And then it happens again overnight sometime. I wake up in the morning, and this is what I found on Saturday. I had 1 view in my 48-hour counter. Not only that, but my watch hours are going backwards. So I don't know what's happening. I keep sending feedback, which is the only resource we have unless you're monetized. Once you're monetized, you get the email and the live chat options, but that's not available to me. So I just keep sending them feedback several times a day. I don't even know if they're getting it. There's no response to it. So I'll make a few videos here and there. There's no point. If things are going backwards, I just don't understand it. The only thing that I can figure, someone has figured out how to hijack the smaller channels and take 100 views here and there, say they have 1,000 that they're getting a hold of. That's giving them a lot of views. So until I get an answer, I'm not going to be doing a lot of videos. There's no point. I'm not getting anywhere. I'm not getting subscribers. I'm not getting views. I'm not getting watch time. Actually, it's going backwards, like I said. And if anyone else is experiencing this, please let me know in a comment or email me at inthepapercloset@gmail.com. if you know an answer or some setting that is wrong in my account, I don't know, I haven't changed my settings. I have no restrictions on my channel that I could find. No hits about anything. So I'm not giving up, but until I figure it out, I'm slowing down. So I'll continue with this book. I will finish it. We've gotten pretty far in this. So that's about it for today. If you like this video, like I said, please respond if you're experiencing the same thing. If you figured out how to fix it. I'll just keep sending feedback several times a day like I've been doing. See if I get any results. I'll certainly let you know. Alright, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. I posted on my community tab, under my tab, what's going on. So maybe just check there. I can update that quite often. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying very hard, but getting very frustrating. Okay, I will be back. Maybe once a week I'll come in and add some more to my book. Okay, till then, I'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye.